So you want to boil first?
Yeah, this is water. Yeah. Then add salt. Salt. Malai don't put a lot.
Just some little salt.
Yeah, just little salt to taste. Okay, then we add soda.
What is that?
This is bicarbonate of soda.
Oh, okay.
Bicarbonate of soda. Yeah. Normally it's to break vegetable.
To make it tender.
Yeah, make it tender. Also keep it maintain the original color.
Oh,
Yeah.
green.
Green.
Bicarbonate of soda.
You are delaying.
Just a teaspoonful of this.
Yeah, delaying now.
So the okra is already cut into pieces. Salsa is also getting ready. But our focus is here on how to prepare okra the Zimbabwean way. A very delicious green vegetable, very nice for your skin and for your digestive tract. So if you have any problem with constipation, maybe you want to consider preparing some okra. Meanwhile, we're waiting for our water to get ready to boil. Then we'll continue. Now we are adding our okra into the boiled water. We're also adding the tomatoes. Wow. Here is the mixture. You add some water because you don't want a very dry mixture. If you have eaten mrenda before, expect that a slipperiness. Expect some slipperiness like from mrenda. case you have to keep on stirring because it will stick. And this is our final okra. I know there's so many ways of preparing the same, but this is just one of the ways. Try it very fast. It's very yummy for your ugali, for any other starch vegetable. Try it and enjoy. Thank you.